What really got me into here is during that Explore, we ended up making clocks on the manual mills, and it was awesome. You get to bring it home, keep it. And I just thought to myself, what else could I make in here? My name's Matt. I am a student in advanced manufacturing. I'm a junior at Essex Tech. I started off in middle school. I applied here, and ever since I got here, I've fallen in love with advanced manufacturing. So when you get accepted into school, during Discovery Week, every block of the day you explore a different area. And at the end of that week, you decide 8 different shops that you want to take. And then you do each of those for 1 week, and then at the end of it, you pick which one you like the best. That just happened to be advanced manufacturing for me. I found it the most interesting. There's a lot of cool stuff you can make. My goals in the next couple of years are hopefully next year, senior year, go to co-op, make a little bit of money, and then try to find a college that does some co-ops and stuff, so that way I can be learning to get a higher degree and also be working in the field.